Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use my best seamless transition pack for Premiere Pro. This is the handcrafted best seamless and smooth transition for Premiere Pro. It works with Premiere Pro version 2018 and above. The transitions included in this pack are spin transition, zoom transition, stretch transition, pan transition and light leaks, and more are coming soon, which you will get absolutely free if you buy it now. So let me show you how to use this best seamless transition pack for Premiere Pro. After you download this pack, you will get this zip file. You can see right over here. So this is a zip file. So you need to extract it using any unzip software. I'm using Winrar, or you can use the 7-zip as well. And right click and select extract to this, and that's going to create a folder for you, and it's going to extract all of these over here. And these are all different transitions pack, so you can just right click and you can see the list or details. So you will see the transition with the resolution, so in which resolution they are. So you can choose the resolution according to your transition or according to your project, all right, or your clips. So launch the Premiere Pro and open your sequence. So these are the clips on which I want to apply these transitions. All right, so for this purpose, what you have to do, you have to just go to the file and select the open project and browse the downloaded folder or the downloaded transition. So this is the folder, and over here I would choose one according to my sequence. My sequence is 1920 by 1080, and even if it is not fit or not according to your resolution, you can still use this. I will tell you how to just rescale it to any resolution. All right, so for this purpose I'm going to use, let's say, so I will go for this stretch and zoom. So this one 1920 by 1080, I will open this folder, and inside it you will see this project. So this is the project, you won't see this one. Let me delete this one. So you will see this one, and over here you need to just open it. And when you will open it, it is going to show you this warning that you need to convert this project, because this project was created originally in Adobe Premiere Pro 2018. All right, so 2018. So if you have the version 2018 or above, then you will see this option. Otherwise it will just open just like this. So now it would automatically just rename it, and you have to just press the OK, and then it's going to launch this, and it's going to take some time to get the media. All right, so initially it might take some time depending on the speed of your system, though this is very fast and very light project. All right, so you might see some of these sequences. All right, so you don't need to use these, so you can just close them. I'm just closing it right now, though you may not find these because I'm going to fix this, but even if you find it, that's not a problem. So over here you will see in the project panel, this is the project. So you will see these files, and then you have this option, best seamless transition, stretch and zoom. All right, so these are the transitions, so you can preview them just hovering your mouse, so you can see how which one is working. All right, so you can see the preview. All right, and then the next important thing which you need to do is, first you need to uncheck this sequence, insert sequence option. So if you uncheck this, that way this will work, otherwise it will not work. So make sure this is the gray and not the highlighted one. And then you need to disable the video one track. So you have to just disable all these, otherwise it's not going to work. And then you have to simply just go to the between of these two clips. So over here I will just move my playhead right over here. Okay, and then I would just, let's say, suppose I want to apply this one, this right, stretch out right. So I'll just drag and drop it over here, and over here you will see these two layers. So make sure these are between these two cuts. All right, so it has to be between these two cuts, that way it's going to look better. Right, so right? So if you just play it through, you can see, isn't this amazing? And now let's choose this one, zoom strange. So I'll just drag and drop this between these two clips. So if I just play it, boom. And let's go for this one. Let me just mute the sound. So we'll just drag and drop over here and let's play it. Right, and if you don't see the preview correctly, you can just render this portion. As you can see, there is this red bar, that means it has not been rendered. So select in and out point and press enter. So that's going to render these files, and once these are rendered, you will be able to see the preview correctly. Alright, similarly, if you want to apply the another transition, so let me just delete this one and let's say this one, just drop it over here and let's play it. Okay, and similarly you can just use the different transitions as well. So just go to the file and select open project, and this time let's search for the light leaks. So this is the light leaks, and I'm going to choose 1920 by 1080. So you have to select this project, press open. Again, it's going to show you the warning to convert the project. Press OK, and that would be converted, and this would be open, and you will see the preview of these right over here. So let me just close all of these because we don't need these. Okay, so I want to apply it over here. So for this purpose, I'll just choose any of these. So let's say this one, I just drag and drop right over here, and let's see how it looks. Boom, isn't this great? And now let's go for this one, and right over here I'm going to choose something like this. You can even change the color of these light leaks. Okay, you can see this looks amazing. And if you want to change its color, so just select this one, this layer, and let's go to the effects control, and in the effects control you will see this FX ramp, and over here you will see these colors. So you can just click on the first color and choose, let's say, this color, and choose on the second, and let's make it something like this. Okay, and if we just play it through, you will get this kind of a different result, and you can even change the color of the second layer as well from the ramp, and you can just go for, let's say, this one, and for this, let's say this one. Okay, and now if you just play it through, boom. So this transition pack is really amazing. It works very fast, it loads very fast, and it just renders very fast. So you have to make sure that you just uncheck this one, this sequence, so it has to be grayed out, and you have to uncheck all these video 1 and video 2 source patching. Alright, and thereafter you can just simply drag and drop right above your clips and between the cut of two clips. Alright, so this is how you can use it. And now let me show you how you can use any of these transition to any resolution. So suppose you have, let me create a new sequence. So suppose you have a 4K sequence. So now this is the sequence, and this sequence is 4K. Let me show you. So you can see the resolution 3080 and 1160. Okay, and this is the 4K, and I want to apply this transition, and the transition which we have opened is, you can see, 1920 by 1080. All right, so this is the transition, and I want to apply right over here. So what I'll do, I'll just uncheck this one, make sure this is grayed out, and uncheck the video 1 track 1 source patching, and then let's say suppose I want to use this one. So I'll just drag and drop between the cut of two clips. All right, and if I just play it, you will see this works something like this. Alright, so now I can see that this is in 1920 by 1080, so you may not be able to see it clearly. So for this purpose, we'll select all of these two layers which we have just placed, transition layers, and we'll right click and we'll select the scale to frame size. So if we do this that way, it's going to scale it to the size of the transition. So if we just play it, you can see now it works best. Alright, so similarly you can just try different other transitions as well. So let me just delete this one, and let's say this one, zoom and rotate. I'll just drop it over here, and if I play it, you can see this transition is not working. Reason being that this is of lower resolution, that is 1920 by 1080, whereas our sequence is in 4K. So for this purpose, we have to just select these two layers and right click and select scale to frame size, and that way this would be fixed. So if we just play it right now, and if we just render this out, this portion, so we have rendered it, and now you can see this works just like a charm. Okay, alright, so this is how you can use this best seamless transition pack, and with this pack you will soon get more updates which would be released later on, and that would be absolutely free. You can download this pack from the link in the description section below. If you buy it now, you will get the early bird discount, so you have to just buy it once and you can use it for lifetime. So you will get the lifetime license and you can use it in unlimited number of projects, unlike others which offer you only for a certain or limited number of projects, but this one can be used for unlimited number of projects. All right, so buy this, support this channel, and do let me know how do you like this transition pack. So thank you so much. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.